After changes in Iowa law took away collective bargaining rights for state employees, University of Iowa graduate students have been fighting to get some of those rights written back into their contracts. Well, today, the Board of Regents presented their own contract proposal. KWWL reporter Ashley Neighbor was at that meeting today, and she now joins us live from our Iowa City newsroom with what exactly happened at today's meeting. Ashley.
Well, Abby, there was a tense meeting today at the University of Iowa's campus. Now, those graduate students have formed a union called COGS. Now, they're fighting to get back rights such as paid time off and set weekly hours that were lost 2 years ago.
You want to be arguing in court if you lost a family member? I wouldn't. I wouldn't want to be working if, my father died.
A passionate statement from one of the many graduate students fighting for more collective bargaining rights. The Board of Regents hearing COGS contract proposal 2 weeks ago. That included things like
cost of living plus 3% wage increase. We're asking for all of the permissive topics to be restored to our contract. So all of those things like hours of work, sick days, grievance procedure.
Now it's the Regents' turn, presenting their own proposal.
A negotiation is a give and take. It's not a, we just want this. So current contract is, as we've presented, right, with our modifications. You have proposed that you want a whole bunch of things added back in. What is the give and take to that? I don't know if there is any, but we will find that out when we go back into the negotiation process.
But that proposal was met with disappointment and frustration, mostly at what wasn't included in their proposal.
Who is served by not including language to guarantee a safe and healthy working environment?
For things like paid time off and sick leave.
Choosing their own health and well-being over whether or not I can pay rent. So
now, many of the graduates saying that they were disappointed but not surprised by what little came of that meeting. Now, many times throughout, the Board of Regents did say that this was not a time for negotiations, rather an opportunity for them to present their proposal. Live in the Iowa City newsroom, Ashley Neighbor, News 7 KWWL.
All right, Ashley, thank you. Now, a date has been set for January, during which closed session negotiations will take place, and this will be an opportunity for both sides to come to a new employment contract agreement.